Okay, I have tried so many AI tools that claim to be able to create a website by just prompting. But I think most of them are just okay, and sometimes it's not even worth paying for. But this one is interesting, and I would say this is a real deal. So it is called Webifier, and you can create a website in just 5 minutes. And I think they are really serious about that claim, because I was able to create this website in literal 1 minute, maybe even less than 1 minute, and the result is pretty good. Maybe this navigation bar is a bit bigger, but basically this website is actually decent looking, and it is able to generate the copy, the pictures, and the structure. And by the way, you can even make it to be more SEO friendly, and you can publish the website within minutes. So I think this is actually a great tool to create a website, and this tool is being marketed towards agencies. So you can, if you're working as an agency, you can offer your service as a website designer or website builder, and you can charge people with it. So it started with $19 a month, which I think is decent price. So let me show you how you can create a website with this AI tool, and maybe a few things that you can do after the website has been created. So navigate to webifier.io, and then you have to create a free account. So for this example, let's try creating a coffee shop website with premium, let's say premium taste, but affordable pricing. Let's try using that prompt, and then click generate. So it will analyze your prompt, and it will start creating the structure of the website, and you can actually do some calculation. You can count how many seconds it takes to create all of it, but it's usually going to take only like 1 minute, or maybe even less than 1 minute to create the first draft of the website. And the result is actually pretty good. It's not like, I think it's not creating the website like creating the code from scratch. I think they're using some sort of template to achieve this kind of speed. So I would say there's going to be some repetitiveness when you're creating a website using this tool, but at least the design is dynamic, and I think it's good looking. Now after that, you can click continue, or you can click this button to get a different design, but I'll just continue, and you'll see that there are a few things that you can do with the website after it has been created. So this is the preview interface. You can actually look at the website, and by the way, you can also click this button to see the website on the dark mode or light mode, and you can see the website in the various screen size, like there is the PC, tablet, and then smartphone. And there's also multiple pages that are created, so you can add more pages. And here, if you want to edit something, you can click this button, and you can do a lot of things. Like you can change the effect. There's this particle effect, which actually I never tried before. So there is also the color that you can edit. There is also the page structure. So I think this is just the structure of the page. You can drag and drop. Like for example, I want to move the hero section to the bottom, which is definitely not ideal, but it is something that you can do. And interestingly, if you click, let's say, on this segment, you can actually modify that. You can change it with a different layout. So it will show you this design variants, and you can select a new style that you want. So let's try using this, and there you go. You can also use this, maybe even this, and you can generate even more. So I think that's quite interesting, and you don't have to code anything. You don't have to write a complicated prompt, because this interface is making the website editing process a lot easier and a lot faster. So you can also export the code if you want to, but you have to be in the pro subscription. But at least you can publish the website for free. Just click this button and then click continue. And then you have to give it a name. Let's say AsapGuide coffee shop. And yeah, the domain name is firstl.app. That's totally fine, but you can set up the domain name later if you want to. Let's click continue, and it will start publishing your website. So I think it's pretty cool that it is combining AI with some sort of templates, and that's making the process a lot easier, a lot faster, and I believe it is a lot cheaper. And I think this is gonna be the sweet spot between combining AI and giving some freedom or flexibility for website designers or agency to build websites for their clients. So you can navigate to webify.io and then create a free account and start using this tool. And by the way, I'll leave the link in the video description if you want to sign up to this tool. Okay, I guess I'm going to wait a bit more until it finishes and I'll show you the result. So anyway, it is done and this is the URL. It is a public URL. You can open it and this is it. This is the result of a website that was created by AI in just, let's say, 1 or 2 minutes. So I think that's pretty amazing. If you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more amazing AI tutorials or AI tools in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.